Hello, everyone. Welcome to Freema Language. I'm glad you're watching this video today. If you want to use English naturally, if you want sentences you can use every single day, and if you want to practice without stress, this lesson is perfect for you. In this video, you will learn 50 daily English sentences that are simple, useful, and easy to remember. These sentences are great for home, work, shopping, and daily life. Before we begin, please subscribe to Freema Language, like this video, comment below to support the channel, share this video with someone learning English. Now, relax, listen carefully, and let's start. Let's begin with sentence number 1. Hi there, long time no see, a friendly way to greet someone.
Let's continue with the next sentence. How have you been lately? Used when you haven't seen someone for a while.
Moving on smoothly. I've been quite busy these days. A natural answer. Here's another daily sentence. What time do you usually wake up? Common daily question. Let's go to the 5th sentence. I wake up around 7. Simple and natural. Let's keep going. I need to get ready quickly. Used in the morning. Here comes another one. I'm running a little late. Very common sentence. Let's continue. The weather looks nice today. Easy small talk. Moving forward. It's hotter than yesterday. Good for daily conversation. Next sentence. I forgot my keys at home. Useful daily expression. Let's move on. May I ask you something? Polite way to start a question. Next one. Could you show me the way? Helpful when asking directions. Let's go ahead. I'll try my best. Encouraging sentence. Moving on. Thanks for explaining. Good for learning situations. Let's continue. I have a lot to do today. Common daily sentence. Moving forward, I need more time. Simple and useful. Next sentence. I'll handle it today. Shows responsibility. Let's keep going. Everything is under control. Very natural sentence. Let's move to the next group. What's for dinner tonight? Very common at home. Next one. I'll cook something simple. Easy daily talk. Continuing. The food is almost ready. Useful at home. Let's go on. It smells really good. Natural reaction. Next sentence. I'm full now. Thank you. Polite after eating. Let's continue. I'm just looking around. Very common in shops. Next. Do you offer any discounts? Useful shopping sentence. Moving on. I'll think about it. Polite and natural. Let's continue. I'll come back later. Common daily use. Next one. The store closes at 6. Useful information sentence. Let's move ahead. I'm feeling a bit nervous. Very natural. Next sentence. There's nothing to worry about. Comforting phrase. Continuing. I feel more confident now. Positive sentence. Let's go on. That's exactly what I mean. Used in discussions. Next. I see your point. This sentence is used to show that you understand someone's opinion and keep the conversation respectful. Let's keep going. Are you free this weekend? This is a common social question used to ask someone if they have time to meet or make plans. Next one. I haven't decided yet. This is a natural response used when you're still thinking and haven't made a choice. Continuing. Let's plan something soon. This is a friendly suggestion used to show interest in meeting or doing an activity together.
Moving on. I'd love to join you. This is a positive answer used to show enthusiasm and willingness to take part.
Next sentence. Maybe another day. This is a polite refusal used to decline an invitation without sounding rude.
Let's move to the final part. I need to head out now. This is a polite way to say you are leaving or ending a conversation.
Next. Thanks for your help today. This is a very useful sentence to show appreciation and gratitude in conversations. Continuing, it was nice talking to you. This is a friendly closing used to politely end a conversation on a positive note. Let's go on. Let's stay in touch. This is a common daily phrase used to show you want to keep contact with someone. Next one. Drive safely. This is a kind sentence used to show care for someone's safety while they travel. Keep going. Have a productive day. This is a great daily wish used to encourage someone to be successful and focused.
Next, rest well tonight. This is a caring sentence used to show concern for someone's well-being and encourage good rest.
Almost done. Tomorrow will be a busy day. This is a daily planning sentence used to talk about upcoming tasks or schedule. Second to last. I'll see how it goes. This is a natural expression used when you're uncertain and want to wait before deciding.
And the final sentence. Let's talk again soon. This is a perfect ending sentence used to politely close a conversation while showing interest in continuing it later.
Excellent work. You've just learned 50 completely new daily English sentences for easy practice. Now remember, listen again, repeat out loud, use these sentences every day. If this lesson helped you,
Subscribe to Freema Language. Like the video. Comment below. Share with other learners.
thank you for learning with Freema Language and keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.